thing, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, is gonna get a ride. We're taking this train right back on course. Oof.
Can we get 3 before it opens?
Can we get 3 before it opens? Or right as it opens, maybe?
Yeah.
Another ride that, well, our first ride that none of us have done. So, who knows what it's gonna be? Yeah, I'm excited because we love Mickey and Minnie. We got our socially distanced line here, and we got all the cast members pointing us. So, we're gonna see if this 25-minute wait's really 25 minutes. What'd you say?
Is this on all resort yet?
No. Yeah, look, they even have like signatures. Look at all the signatures.
Yeah. I know.
Take your best guess, Mom. What do you think this ride is?
It's like a little train.
Okay.
That goes through history of Mickey and Minnie.
Okay, that's a good,
I
yeah.
was thinking like a little movie.
Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah, since it's in the old Great Movie Ride building.
Yeah.
But it's confusing because it's
Yeah, I know. That's what I think it might be a little quick. But you never know.
like a simple little, just a little tour train.
Yeah.
All of a sudden it goes a little further.
Ooh, get a little shaky in there. Yeah, I don't know. I think, yeah, I agree with Mom actually, is what I'm thinking. Good nail on the head, Mama. Oh, look.
It's really
Cute.
an iconic piece of that.
Oh,
Really. But yeah, and then it's just like, they're a little more spaced out.
hi, girly pops. Oh, our train's here. Choo choo. Oh God, they need some oil. Wow. All right, who's excited? Yeah!
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mr. Ben.
Goofy!
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no!
I must have hit that track switch!
Oh!
Okay.
Ready?
Yes!
1, 2, 3,
Woo!
1. You're all waltzing so
Ah!
together. Now, let's carve
Woo! Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh! Oh! Help us! Woo! Oh! Oh! Woo!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park.
Mickey's!
Hey, picnickers!
yeah.
Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Oh!
Oh, cool. It is crazy how this is
Wow! Woo! Do it again! Woo! Mom was right on the head. You guessed it. How was that?
That was fun.
That was so cute. Jay-
Come on, ride the train.
Oh.
Choo-choo train.
Mama?
They're always so creative.
I know. That was so good. So cute. So much fun. I hope next time we're in the front car. I feel like we missed some things in the back car, but
Just get me out
still.
of here. At the end, though, we got
Yeah.
stuff in the front people.
That's true. At the end, we became the front people, so that was cool.
Whoa!
At the end, so yeah, it is 9:20. So the park opened 20 minutes ago, and we've already rode 3 rides, 2 of the biggest rides in the park right now. So we are hop-scopping away. So much fun. Can I get a whoop whoop? Yeah! Change of plans. Tower Terror was 50 minutes and we only have, how long, 20?
It was like 30.
30 minutes. 35 minutes until our boarding drive, so we'll come back and do that. So hopefully Mom's not too upset. It'll be okay though. But
The
we're
picture
gonna.
of that lady would have been so good.
Did you not get it? We got a professional photographer back there taking all
There
the
wasn't
photos.
enough light, so when I took the picture at 1/50, it's literally just all black.
Shoot.
So,
Hate when
and I
that
can't go
happens.
below that or else it's gonna be shaky and not clear.
Yeah, that's your daily picture tutorial with Jay.
But when I tell you it looked jaw-dropping, I mean it. I shot it in RAW, so maybe I can save it.
So yeah, no Tower of Terror yet, but we will do it soon. No need to fear, Care Bear. Yeah, I think a lot of people, because the park just opened, so a lot of people just rushed to all the rides, so they're not even shopping or anything, so. But we're good, we're gonna just roll with the punches and do what we feel like today. That's all we do. Wow. Where's Jake? Come on, Jake. Oh, we're being about to be transported into a whole new world. Oh, here we go. Oh, the music. Wow. Oh. Ah, the tunnel. Woo. Ooh, what's this line? Wow. Star Wars. I have no idea. Oh, Rise of the Resistance. I think it's to scan in your boarding group. Oh. Oh, we're about to go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. We're on a whole different planet. Oh, look at the Coca-Colas. I want one. Oh. Wow. Oh, look at this one. Wow. Hi, Sprite machine. Oh. And oh, it's talking to us.
Security personnel screening recruits on that south turn, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
Jason on patrol.
Wow.
Thank you, Commander.
Wow. I really don't know what much of this stuff is, but wow. Oh, wow. The Millennial Falcon. Wow. Wow. Holy moly. Oh, wow. 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 That thing's huge. Do you think it's to scale?
I assume so.
Oh. We only have 10 minutes until Rise of the Resistance. Oh, Lord. Lordy Lord.
Lordy Lord.
We just did a little loop-de-loop around Galaxy's Edge. And it's freaking huge.
It is stupid.
We didn't know where to go. We didn't even know what everything was, but it was cool nonetheless. So we are heading over to Rise of the Resistance to ride that ride because
Now boarding.
oh, it's our turn! Oof. Okay, let's ask the same.
You get an hour.
What'd you say?
You do get an hour because it says head to the experience by 10:54.
Yep, we get an hour.
Hey, we're
All right, here we go. So I'm gonna ask the same question I asked about minis. What do we think this is? Oops.
I'm not sure. I think it's gonna be like mission space a little bit, the way you're describing it, but not with like the spinny stuff.
That's Millennium Falcon. This is a different ride.
Is it a ride?
I
thought
join the resistance and help fight off the
Oh,
It's gonna be along the theme of like the Avatar ride.
okay.
Sit on something and join the resistance. Or,
Okay.
Yeah, and you gotta fight the vampire. That's the bad people.
The Empire. Brene, what do you think?
It's gonna be fun.
And I think she's gonna be right.
By the Millennium Falcon, do you mean the Smuggle Run?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a new one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So many new fun things. All right, here we are. We're about to go ride Rise of the Resistance.